Blast number 8. Number 1. All of the things in group X are blogs. All of the things in group X are blogs. None of the things in group Y are blogs. None of the things in group Y are blogs. Which 2 things in group Z are blogs? Which 2 things in group Z are blogs? Number 2. Which statement is correct for question 2? Which statement is correct for question 2? A, B, or C? The next 6 questions are about the picture graph. You probably heard them called a pictograph on your sheet. It shows the birth month of children in 2 5th grade classes. Each picture of a boy stands for 1 boy, and each picture of a girl stands for 1 girl. Number 3. How many girls have birthdays in March? How many girls have birthdays in March? Number 4. How many boys have birthdays in February? How many boys have birthdays in February? Number 5. How many children in 5th grade were born in August? How many children in 5th grade were born in August? Number 6. In which month did only boys have birthdays? In which month did only boys have birthdays? Number 7. How many children were surveyed? How many children were surveyed? And number 8. Were there more boys or girls in the survey? Were there more boys or girls in the survey? Question number 9. So down here. The next 6 questions relate to the head shapes on your sheet. The people of Shapetown take their names from the shape of their heads. Use the letters to answer these questions. Number 9. Who is Ellipso? Who is Ellipso? Number 10. Who is the Hexagon Kid? Who is the Hexagon Kid? Number 11. Who is Rombusto? Who is Rombusto? Number 12. Who is Oblongo? Who is Oblongo? Number 13. Who is Nonagonal? Who is Nonagonal? And number 14. Who is Hepto? Who is Hepto? The next 3 questions relate to the shape made of cubes. Number 15. How many cubes make up the solid shape? How many cubes make up the solid shape? Number 16. How many cubes can you see? Mark them off. Be careful because some cubes have more than 1 face showing. So how many cubes can you see? That's the question. So as you mark them off, be careful so that you don't mark off ones that have more than 1 face showing. Or be careful because you have some that have more than 1 face showing. And number 17, how many cubes can't you see? How many cubes can't you see? And the last 3 questions are about the problem on your sheet. The first thing we must ask ourselves when solving problems is, what am I trying to find out? So this question says, to warm up before soccer practice, the coach asks team members to jog 6 laps of the playing field. If it is 425 meters around the field, how far must they jog? Question 18. What is the problem asking us to find? Is it asking us to find A, how far must they jog to warm up? B, how long is 1 lap? Or C, how many laps must they jog? Is it asking us A, how far they must jog to warm up? B, how long is one lap? Or C, how many laps must they jog? Number 19, the next question, or the next step in problem solving is to ask, how can I answer this question? Or how can I find the answer? Which operation, symbol, or symbols would you use to find the answer to this problem? Which operation, symbol, or symbols would you use to find the answer to this problem? And number 20, write your answer on answer line 20 up at the top. Okay, on the bottom here it says, draw cut lines on cake A, or draw cut lines on the cake A to A, B to B, C to C, to show how 7/10 and 7/100 stand for the same amount. Can you see why 0.7 as a fraction is the same amount as 0.7D as a fraction? The only difference is the way the cake has been cut. So when you do this, I want you to mark off 7/10, and then I want you to mark off in a different shape or whatever color the 70/100 so I can see that you've done it.